brewing over the coat Rosa Parks was wearing when she refused to give up her seat in 1955.
Her heirs agreed to a deal, but that never panned out.
7 Action News reporter Amira David explains how it turned into a legal fight that goes back more than a decade.
Well, the attorney says this institute is simply standing up for the coat they were initially promised. Now, they've lost the battle so far, but they're hoping to put this lengthy debate to rest by getting the highest court in the state to weigh in.
It was fraud, pure and simple, classic garden variety fraud.
It's a legal fight that stems back 12 years in the wake of Rosa Parks' death in 2005, when the Rosa and Raymond Parks Institute for Self-Development, co-founded by Parks herself and heirs of the civil rights icon, reached a deal to share a percentage of a sale of some historically significant items. But as part of that agreement,
The heirs promised to produce one very special item.
the heirs said they would turn over this coat that Parks was thought to be wearing when she refused to give up her seat on a public bus in 1955. The collection was ultimately sold, then put up for display in the Library of Congress, yielding the family over $730,000. But there was one big piece of the collection missing.
They admitted that they had not seen the coat in many, many years and had no intention of producing it.
Parks heirs have won in both the probate and appeals courts, but the fight over the coat is not over.
We allege that the heirs breached the contract when they didn't produce the coat, and we additionally alleged that they committed fraud when they said, "We have the coat."
In this document, the attorney is asking the Michigan Supreme Court to hear the case and force a return of the more than $700,000 paid. But the attorney for Parks heirs believes the coat in question is a non-issue, saying in a statement to 7 Action News that it was not a key element, wasn't meant to be a key element. The agreement was done early in the morning, the day before the trial was scheduled, and it was done in good faith with the belief that a family member had the coat. And both attorneys have expressed confidence that the Supreme Court will rule in their favor should they hear this case. As for the coat, the family says they don't have it, and frankly, it's unclear whether it still even exists. For now, in Detroit, Amira David, 7 Action News.